Yes.
On the other side, on a ceiling,
Yeah.
and then
So
how long that
to say it's full, it's gonna be here. You see there by 10.
really sharp.
By 10, yeah, that's to show it's full when it's here by 10.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now it's starting from
Yeah,
zero.
now starting from 0. Yeah.
Okay.
So you see now, this one's gonna be hot, and this one, just feel it now. It's gonna starting to be hot,
Yeah.
and this one also.
1, 2, 3,
Yeah,
4. This way.
yeah, this one, and this one a little bit. Then this side, it's gonna be cooler before going inside. Yeah. Yeah, it's still less, you see. Yeah,
Still going.
still going.
Mm.
Yeah, see. Yeah. Mm. So if this side is hot, then it's gonna be cold inside. Yeah. So,
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
yeah. So that's to show it's getting there now. Yeah. So it mustn't be more than this or less. Then it's gonna cause a problem. Yeah.